Hey there, business pros. Today, I'm unlocking the secrets of effective management. Management is more than just a set of tasks, it's a science. It's understanding the why behind what we do. Think about your day-to-day activities. How many times do you actually stop and question why you're doing something a certain way? Probably not often enough. Good management, though, takes the guesswork out of business operations. It ensures everything runs smoothly for the entire team, turning chaos into clarity. Imagine a world where every process is optimized, every task is efficient, and everyone knows their role perfectly. That's the magic of effective management. Why is this important? Because when you understand the reasons behind your actions, you can make better decisions. You can identify what's working, what's not, and how to improve. It's about making processes more efficient and effective for everyone. Remember, great management isn't just about keeping things in order, it's about continuous improvement. It's about fostering an environment where your team can thrive, innovate, and grow. It's about turning potential into performance. So next time you find yourself going through the motions at work, take a moment to ask, why am I doing this? How can it be better? By understanding the science behind management, you're not just doing your job, you're mastering it. If you're looking for management consulting, please reach out. Together, we'll make it work. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep questioning, keep optimizing, and keep leading. Catch you later.